are the Good Wipes. These are flushable wipes. Each package has 50 wipes inside. And these came in hot and immediately earned a spot on my bathroom and travel road butt needs. Okay, so first impressions, the scent. The purple is lavender. Then we have the shea cocoa, kind of in the teal. And the burgundy is the rose water. And lastly, this green is the botanical bliss. So the wipes are huge in size. I have one of these open. The wipes are huge in size, and we're talking full hand coverage, grown-up size wipes. Look at that. This is a grown-up size wipe. That really does make regular toilet paper small. This one gets the job done. I love these because they are infused with vitamin E, chamomile, lavender, aloe. It's a whole spa menu. They are cooling, they are gentle, and they leave zero irritation, even on sensitive skin. I love the variety of scents, which I've already spoken about. The scents are clean, light, and not overpowering at all. Let's talk about the wipe. The wipe is thick, it is soft, and it is sturdy. I mean, I have to really pull to get this to rip apart. And once you wipe, it does clean. This is not going to break apart easily like regular toilet paper. Each pack, I love, stays moist because it has the locking lid, okay? And as long as you make sure that you snap it tight, you are really good to go. These are safe for the septic, safe for sewer systems, plant-based, and 100% flushable. I really like these because I'm going to keep them in my bag for traveling for the holidays. You could keep them in your glove compartment. You could keep them really anywhere that you might need a wipe, so to speak. So the takeaway here is extra large, extra gentle, extra effective. These wipes do the job. They smell great, travel well, and are flushable. I'm going to happily stock up on these in every situation that I need these. Highly recommend. This is a sponsored review.